Hey y'all, alright, so welcome back to my channel. We are starting off on freshly washed hair, guys, and the first thing I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how I use a mask. Now this mask is from Uncle Funky's daughter, and this is the Heal and Renew Intense Hair Mask from Uncle Funky's daughter. So I've never used this product before, so you guys are definitely going to get to see a first impressions. Opening. Oh, it smells really minty. If you guys ever used this product before, let me know. This is my first time, so you guys will be seeing a first impressions. Now, how I like to apply masks is in sections. So what I'm actually going to do is go ahead and clip my hair up and out the way so we can get started in the back applying the mask. Alright y'all, so I have my hair pinned out the way and we're going to go ahead and get started in the back. Like I said, my hair is freshly washed. I have a little bit of leave-in, and now we're going to go ahead and apply the deep conditioner mask. It just says apply to cleanse wet hair from root to ends. Cover with a plastic cap. Let it stand for 5 minutes or apply heat for 30 minutes and then you can rinse. So from 5 to 30 minutes is a good time to have this product in your hair. I love how thick it is. I'm definitely a girly who likes thick, deep conditioners. Alright, so applying that to my hair. Ooh, yes. It's super smooth and it's easy to maneuver. Like I can drag it from the top all the way to the bottom with no problem. Oh, I love this. Alright y'all, so that definitely made a difference. And like I said, I'm just going to let that sit in my hair for a little bit and we're going to move on to the next section. So I'm just going to take a large chunk out of this section. Alright, so here's my next section, taking a nice size amount. Yes, I love what it is doing for my curls. Ooh, I love how I can also just drag it all the way down. And you don't really have to overdo it with this product either. So now my hair is fully coated. And let me show you guys the difference on what it looks like. This one's a little bit more weighed down, which I like. I feel like this, like my curls are definitely being treated right now with this side as well. So it just feels good. It smells good and it feels like it's doing its job. So let me go ahead and just do this side really quickly. And then I'm going to apply a plastic cap once I get back. Alright, so now I have my hair sitting in a deep condition. You guys saw me put the plastic cap on. I really love how creamy this product is. I probably can use this maybe like 4 to 6 more times. Like that's crazy. They also sent me their Moisture Boost travel kit. So I'm going to take the leave-in out of this and apply it to my hair. I think this is amazing for travel if you have curly hair. I know most of us girlies try to put our hair away on vacation, but because there's travel kits available, I don't know, I just might try to have my curls out next time I go on vacation and try their travel kit entirely. So let me go ahead and wait a little bit longer. I am going to wash this out and the next time you guys see me, we'll be applying the leave-in. Alright y'all, so I'm back and my hair is freshly rinsed from using that deep conditioner. Y'all, or the hair mask I should say. It left my hair really soft. It feels good, and now I'm ready to apply the leave-in. I'm gonna grab. Okay, so this is a leave-in spray. This is called the Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. It has coconut milk and nettle and camille. And all I'm going to do is just go ahead and spray this all over my hair. Ooh, it smells good, y'all. I have a lot of hair, so I just like to make sure everything is well coated. And I'm just going to go ahead and work that product in. Alright, so let me go ahead and, ooh, that smells good. My hair looks really good. Looks healthy, looks moisturized. It's not dry whatsoever. Alright, y'all, so we are all ready to get started. I'm going to be using the Flex Grip rollers today. Now, these come in various shapes and sizes. This is how a Flex Grip roller looks, and they're pretty much like flexi rods. The biggest difference is there's a hole and I guess a prong at either end, and all you have to do is loop it around to connect connect it, it creates like this little O, cute little O. You're gonna have them all over your hair. It's gonna be so cute. I did do this hairstyle in the past, so I haven't whipped these out in a few months, so I just think it's about that time, honey. It's about that time. The two products that I'm going to be using today to complete this hairstyle is from Uncle Funky's daughter. I'm using the Curl Magic, and this is their Curl Stimulator with aloe vera, marshmallow, and nettle. And I'll also be using their Supercurl. This is a Miracle Moisture Cream with almond oil, shea butter, and vitamin A. Alright, y'all, I'm excited because these are new products and I get to try them here on screen with you. So I'm just going to rip this bad boy open. Other hair tools that I'm going to be using is my rat tail comb, so I can just make sure my part is straight. And I also have here with me this Annie brush. This is a detangling brush. They call it the Ergo for like up and down. It looks like a little doggy brush. At first I was very skeptical, but now I actually really do like it. So like I said, the first thing I want to do is go ahead and just get my part together. Like something like that. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. I just threw on a regular shirt so we can go ahead and get started. So here we are in the back section, and like I said, the first product that I want to apply to the entire section before we start to break it down is the Supercurl. So here are the ingredients. Oh. Got it all on my lip, y'all. It's all on my lip. Smells good. Luckily it didn't hit my tongue. I don't want to taste it. It does smell really good. It reminds me of like lemon meringue pie or something. It smells good. It smells very refreshing. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, probably like that much, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over this back section of hair. Oh, it's very smooth, very creamy. I love that. And we're just gonna give it a few seconds to warm up in our hand. And here's how the product looks. Goes on white, so we'll see how it goes onto our hair. I'm just getting that all over. I'm just raking it through, raking it in my curls. Let those products start working, and now we are moving on to styling, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is just take my finger, this is my index finger, and I'm just gonna break down my first section right in the back here. And I think that's an adequate amount. You just have to see how thick you want these. And any hair that I'm not using, like this section right here, I just popped it up and out the way. Alright, so now we need to go ahead and apply the Curl Magic to this section before we get started. Now this is the kitchen, y'all. This is the nape. This is the very back of my hair. And it does not respond or react how the rest of my hair does, which is so weird. I think because this hair is always resting on my neck and it's a little bit more hot back there. I don't know. The curl pattern is different and it takes different to products, but TMI, you know what I'm saying. And let me know, does your hair on the back of your neck do that as well? Like this is like the only section that's so different from the rest of my hair, which I think is interesting, and I would love to know if that's your case and scenario as well. All right, let me pop this bad boy open. This is called the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. And what this does is strengthens hair, promotes growth, and provides shine with aloe vera, horsetail, and nettle, prevents dry scalp, increases slip, and nourishes curls with marshmallow and jojoba. Alright, cool beans. Let's go ahead and see what it's giving. I'm just gonna do one pump because oh, okay, it's giving slimy. We love a good slime. Oh, I lost you there, buddy. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more. It's giving slime, y'all. It's giving slime. Wow, okay. Cool beans. It feels like it brought some of the moisture back. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my brush, kind of starting at the bottom. My hair is pretty well detangled from that shower session, and I love how the brush just kind of glides through your hair like that. Baby. Feels so good. Okay, so here is the first flex grip roller, and like I said, if you guys are used to using flexi rods and may have a hard time with that particular hairstyle, then I would try to switch over to flex grip rollers. They are a lot easier to install. They also secure better to your head because they loop around and connect. Normally when they are connected, you won't find them popping apart either. I found these on the Annie Inc website, so like I said, I'll just link everything that I'm using below. All right, so let me go ahead and grab my first section. And what I'm going to do is just make sure everything is nice and smoothed out. I'm going to go ahead and start all the way at the bottom. And what I'm going to do is just wrap my hair onto the rod. And I'm also going to wrap over it a few times before I start to travel up. Now my goal is to make all of the like breaks in between my hair even, so the curl can be even going down. How it looks on the rod is how it's going to look when you take it out. Alright, and now once I can no longer go up, I'm just going to go ahead and connect the ends together, and like I said, they'll stay in place. Okay, as you can see, I have the back already done. Alright, so here we go with the curl stimulator. My hands are actually a little bit slippery, so I'm just going to put it on my leg. I like it. I like how it smells. I like how it feels. Lots of slip. They did a very good job with their ingredients on this product. Wow, look how like clumped my hair looks together. That did a really good job. Do you guys see that? I am highly impressed. Did a very good job clumping my curls. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and start with that back section. I just pulled out a little small tiny piece because, like I said, they're not that big. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab that first section. Just like that. I have my roller. I usually start with the entrance or the opening. I don't know if it matters what side you start with because it's an O, so I guess it's like never ending. Alright, so I just wrap my hair onto the end, wrapping over it, and then I'm just going to go ahead and start to work my way up, twirling my hair. And like I said, kind of making sure it's even as possible. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to connect two ends together, and then I'm going to do that one more time. So I think I'm going to break it down into two, and all we're going to do is start with this end, wrapping my ends to the end. That makes sense. And then I'm just going to travel over it and then start to go ahead and roll up. And I'm just twisting, that's all. The flatter you wrap it onto the roller, the quicker it will also dry. So I'm just going until I can't anymore, and then all I'm going to do is pop it in that section like that. Yeah, so the back is actually finished. I'm actually really surprised. It looks very sleek and shiny. It's like really glued onto that rod, so it looks good. I'm excited, and just hopefully that it comes out good. But we just don't know. I always get so nervous using new products because I don't know how my hair is going to react to it. But so far it looks really, really good. So. Hey y'all. Alright, so I am all finished with this side. As you guys can see, I have so many flex grip rollers in there. Just to keep in mind that I did part small and these are small, so you can get them as big or as small as you want them, but I decided to go small today just to get that like nice spirally curl that I'm going for. That is the look. I still have to go ahead and do the other side. I am going to go ahead and do it off camera so I don't bore you guys to death, and hopefully you picked up a good idea of how to install these flex grip rollers. Make sure you guys stay tuned so you can see my takedown process and also my results. I am so excited, y'all. I think this is going to be a really cute hairstyle, so make sure you stick in there with me, and don't forget to follow if you love to learn about how to do different heat-free hairstyles just like this. Alright y'all, I'll be back when the other side's done. Hey y'all, alright, so I am back and my hair is all completed now. This side took no time at all. I got through it pretty quickly, so now I have to go ahead and let it dry, friends. So far so good. It's gonna look just like this when I come back, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly take these down as well, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And if you're liking how I use the products and the hair tools, make sure you subscribe, friend. My name is Aaliyah, and I really enjoy showing people how to do heat-free hairstyles just like flex grip rollers, and I'll have everything I use linked below. Alright y'all, I will be back once they're dry. Deuces. Hey y'all. Alright, so I am back. It is the next day, and here's how we're looking, friend. Okay, I tossed and turned a little bit until my body just gave out and I fell asleep, so it was fine for me. And now it's time to take them down. I'm pretty sure they're fully dry. I'm still a little bit nervous though, but we are gonna go ahead and get started. The very first thing that I need to do before we start to take down our rollers is I need to go ahead and put some oil on my hands. So let me do that and we'll get started. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start in, I think I'm gonna start in the front because I'm not gonna be able to get to the back. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of them out and then we'll go back and separate. So I'm gonna just start right here in the front. All you have to do is just pop them open straight like that. I'm gonna untwirl it one time just to have like a little small gap right there, and that helps me twirl my wrist just like this. And this is my technique on taking out flex grip rollers to keep the curl intact. And this is how the flex grip roller now looks. What I'm gonna do is I have the original bag that they all came in. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw all of them back in the original bag and keep taking them out. So just rolling down a few times and then unwinding in the opposite direction. And it's just so you can get that beautiful spirally curl. And I keep going until the entire curl is loose, just like that. We're gonna take all of them out first, and then we'll come back to separate them and make them all nice and pretty. But for right now, they are just a really tight spiral curl until we start to separate. Okay, so now that all of them are taken out, you can see this is how they look. It's giving like a dreadlock or something, and you can definitely rock the style just like this if you wanted to. Like, it would look really nice with a scarf on or a hat, or just like some up, some down. But like, they look really nice. But we are going to unravel them, but I just want you guys to see, like, I would not mind wearing the hairstyle just like this, but we are going to be taking it out. All right, sorry y'all, my camera died, but what I'm going to go ahead and do is just put most of them up at the top just with a clip, and then I'm going to go ahead and start to tackle each individual one. Now what's cool about this, I have 3 down here. I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to go ahead and just gently start to separate the curl, and I can separate as many times as I need to. So for that one I only did about twice, but however many times you need to separate, you can certainly do so. Wow, that's super cute. Okay, let's keep going. Alright y'all, so I just finished up with this side. It took no time at all, but there was more hair on this side because my part is over here. But this is how the curls are looking. I think they look really, really cute. Nice and curly. Okay. She's giving. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, oh my god, they're like so soft and bouncy. I just love like shaking them. But what I'm gonna do is just take this side out really quickly off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results of using these small flex grip rollers. But so far so good. If you guys do like what you see so far, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you guys don't miss a beat when I drop more heatless hairstyles. All right, I'll be right back. Hey y'all. All right, so I am finally back, and I took out the other side so you guys can take a good look at how soft and bouncy these curls look. Now if you remember, we did use the Uncle Funky's Daughter's products, which was right here. I used their Curl Magic Curl Stimulator and also their Curl Cream Miracle Moisture Cream. So these were the 2 products that we used today, y'all, to get this bomb hairstyle, along with my flex grip rollers. And just to keep in mind, I have a ton of shrinkage. My hair goes all the way down here and just pops right back up into place, and same thing on this side. My hair is pretty long, and then it just pops right back up, so that's cool. But I think this hairstyle looks really cute. I am loving how the side is just like flipped, so I have like a little bit of side bang action going on with a little bit of height on my hair as well. I think the curls look phenomenal. So I have a fresh set of curls that's going to last me all week long, y'all, and I'm so excited. So again, if you are seeing my face or my hair tutorials for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe. My name is Aaliyah, and I show you guys how to do step-by-step heat-free hair tutorials, and I'm showing you guys how to do my favorite top natural hairstyles that are so easy to do. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and also if you want, you can check out my website. I have more natural hair resources on there, such as my ebook that involves how how to do rod and roller sets just like this, and I also have other things on there that you can download for free as well. So make sure you guys check it out. I'll have everything linked below. Now, if you want to get any of the Uncle Funky's Daughters products, which I highly recommend that you guys try them out, I'll have everything down below with a discount code for you guys. This was my first time using the brand, and I am very, very happy. Make sure you guys stick around for some more videos. My name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.